Hello, and welcome to one of the top statistics books on the market today, Ron Larson's and Betsy Farber's 5th edition of Elementary Statistics. This edition is a wonderful balance of rigor and simplicity, with step-by-step instructions, real-life examples and exercises, carefully developed features, and technology that applies to a wide variety of student interests. This new edition continues the strong pedagogy of the 4th edition and answers the call for a student-friendly text that emphasizes the uses of statistics to help students become informed consumers of statistical reports. In order to accomplish this, students are required to interpret results, provide written explanations, to find patterns, and to make decisions. Applications are relevant, and data sets were chosen for interest, variety, and their ability to illustrate concepts. This text is the first college-level statistics book to be written so that its features are not split from one page to the next. The result is a presentation that is clean and clear. The table of contents is organized into 4 parts. Part 1, Descriptive Statistics. Part 2, Probability and Probability Distributions. Part 3, Statistical Inference. And Part 4, More Statistical Inference. For the 5th edition, we changed Section 2.2 to include misleading graphs. Section 2.5 now defines the modified box plot, and Section 9.1 defines perfect positive and negative linear correlations. There are more than 210 examples in this edition. About 50% of these examples are new or revised. New to this edition are over 50 StatCrunch examples. These examples include step-by-step instructions for using the online statistics software StatCrunch. About 50% of the exercises in this edition are new or revised. And there are about 80 new StatCrunch exercises. These exercises provide students the opportunity to practice using the StatCrunch software. Finally, about half of the chapter openers, case studies, and putting it all together features were replaced to be more relevant to today's students. Now let's take a closer look at the 5th edition. To guide student learning, each chapter begins with a description of how the chapter fits into the bigger picture of statistics, as well as an overview of the chapter. Both of these features are presented in the context of real-world settings. Each section is organized by learning objectives. Definitions and formulas are shown in easy-to-locate boxes and are often followed by guidelines which explain in words and in symbols how to apply the formula or definition. Margin features help reinforce understanding. Study tips show students how to read a table, use technology, or interpret a result or graph. Round-off rules help students with their calculations. Insights help drive home an important interpretation, or they can connect different concepts. Picturing the world is a mini case study illustrating important concepts. Each concludes with a question which can be used for class discussion or group work. Every concept is clearly illustrated with step-by-step examples. Many sections have a technology example, which shows how technology can be used to solve the problem. The exercises in each section are divided into 3 parts: building basic skills and vocabulary, using and interpreting concepts, and extending concepts. For review and assessment, each chapter concludes with a chapter summary, review exercises, and a chapter quiz. There are cumulative reviews at the end of chapters 2, 5, 8, and 11. Every chapter has a discussion on the uses and abuses of statistics, and a discussion on ethics, and then practice exercises. Case studies featuring actual data illustrate the important statistical concepts from the chapter. Putting it all together encourages critical thinking about real-world data. Each chapter also includes a technology project. Several sections have applet activities, which are interactive investigations of the concepts studied. One thing that separates this statistics book from many others is that after data displays are presented in Chapter 2, these displays are then incorporated in future sections. Thank you for your interest in elementary statistics. This textbook is a leader in the market, and it fully addresses the standards and will help students master statistical concepts. Thank you.